So we're here today to attend the Mishkondareya Employment Tribunal, where we'll be having a mock tribunal hearing about alleged harassment that took place in a Metaverse meeting.
It's important to do these things because I think the Metaverse is going to bring its own challenges, some very different things to what we've seen before, a lot of which you can't even predict. As you do these, as you test them, it basically puts you in the best position to deal with them. So I think it was particularly interesting to see the lack of policies about how you deal with the Metaverse in this particular case. So I imagine a lot of the audience will be going away and thinking about that, thinking about policies, particularly around how avatars present, ensure that they are dressed professionally and treat it just the same as you would any work environment.
I also take this opportunity to warn the employer, or rather to recommend to the employer, that it takes the opportunity to review the guidelines that it puts in place for its employees engaged in virtual reality environments. It is astonishing to me in this day and age that there were no guidelines or policies in place. Had there been, the situation that we saw unfold in this tribunal might not have occurred.
This has been my first experience of doing any kind of claim in a virtual setting, and obviously as a lawyer it causes you to have to think kind of more creatively and apply your mind to the kind of claims that might happen as we move into a new digital age and what unique issues that might raise.
My main takeaways today are definitely the importance of having good policies around the Metaverse and just being aware of the challenges that happen. As soon as you make it feel less like their ordinary environment, that creates its issues and people act in ways that you wouldn't expect, and before you know it, you can get yourself in real difficulties.
More and more we're seeing employers using these kind of virtual meetings, and employers need to think carefully about the sort of novel problems that might arise when they ask their employees to attend these meetings.